Think everyone loves you? Think again. Here are 3 reasons people might secretly dislike you. 1. The stress cloud. Your tense shoulders and quick speech screams, "I'm overwhelmed." People feel this energy and try to avoid it. Number 2. Micro grudges, that tiny eye twitch when you're annoyed. People see it. You're not hiding your anger, you are leaking it. 3. The exit sign. If your feet point away or you check your phone, your body screams, "I want out." This makes people feel irrelevant.
It's simple. Breathe to calm your stress cloud. Point your toes toward people to show interest. It's body language magic.
They don't hate you. They don't dislike you. They hate your stress signals. Follow me to control them.
They don't hate you. They hate your stress signals.